Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova Y91 and I'll show you how to check icon shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the X-Icon Changer app from the app gallery. That's why in the search we'll enter the X-Icon Changer. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. Here you will see all of the available applications on your device, which icons you could change. For example, let's change the camera app. We could rename it by tap to edit icon to change the icon from the library with different folders with the icons. Also, we could use photo from our device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, let's use one from the available icons. Tap to the right upper corner to OK, wait a couple of seconds and just skip the ads. Add to home screen, tap to add camera shortcut created. We could go to desktop directly or to change the next icon by the same way. So let's check the new camera icon. So we can see here the difference. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.